back to them.
That is, I know you say, and no by force. It is not written down in books.
So Obi and Buofu Bia
because political party. What is the definition of political party? It is a group of people with the same ideas.
Different.
Ebusian for aha Ghana Sen TV GH. Mesra or like a comment, subscribe with no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Ebusian for we are the new patriotic party. We are the new patriotic party. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. All right, let me stop it right there before the video becomes too long. I think for some time now, Munim say campaign flag bearer. Na me say, na me favorite. Na me favorite Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. And I dare biara meye biara ma Dr. Mamudu Bawumia winning no. Maye. Right? Ghana Semha blog no. A lot of Bawumia stories. Some negative be Africa in Japan can ba me reporting. But with all that done now, Ebusian for look, elections are over. Now is a time for unity. Without unity, NPP, we cannot take back the presidency from this clueless political party, NDC for Amoabaimo. Now, unity will require, tolerating my Bakumi Nukakra. And I believe, as many of you have been also advising or comment section, we have to tone down the rhetoric of Honorable Ken Japan. Because whether we like it or not, Honorable Ken Japan is somebody NPP. We need Honorable Ken Japan. Or a very, very important NPP mu. Ni input, ni impact important. Now, I made the pass Honorable Befi. Our free our kufurudia for MP no. Wabekasa and our maye his sure word say or no or can certify say Honorable Ken Japan will not be leaving NPP. I believe strongly, no matter our differences, no matter what has happened in the past and what is yet to happen, I think, a good news, if this report turns out to be true, it be a very, very good news for the new patriotic party. Because Hon Ken Japan, cause our George Oti Bonsu, the base or whatever they are calling it, we will have a lot of things to debunk. Because political party from be a ban, more person propaganda. Share anyone no more apart from to say UP plus or whatever. Free NPP mukono. They went with a lot of lies code, but lies no because Ghanaians know say now once upon a time now me NPP for they tend to believe. And we will have a lot of work to do. And which work I can delay a progress pa. And to say Honorable Ken Japan, can say on free NPP mu. And we have heard the same thing from on one official spokesperson. Kwesi Kwaten say Honorable Ken Japan is still an NPP person. I think let's tone down the rhetoric, let's forgive one another, and let's move ahead supporting the new patriotic party. Ebushan for a same way came to light and Lawson TV, Ebra, Honorable, any Kwame Tankumu, have a conversation. Let's go and listen. Don't go anywhere. I got some TV GH. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I said we can donate to support our media work, our bundle, equipment and stuff. And the number is just right here, down here. MTN number, Momo. Thank you, Kitwe Bienso. Amidawase.
Yeah. However, your responsibility, say back when winning elections, no, or even who know or playing kabum, but yet you said yeah, our party. Unity is very important because Onipano, his ego or her ego has been bruised. Was spend this guy boka in the asema tuno. Tell the over here, say, over crocodile, over castle, they're going to one about. But Pemicho said, Sunday, you know,
and yen cheer, you have to do that.
Because yen, if you be bano, young small said, over Johnny, one hour by over Johnny, and our Johnny party, no, we are party mojuma. And now, person call elections, now call elections, no, backward winning. Backward winning, number back, they must spot back on our winning in anchor. But for the sake of your party way, in Kosunti, will be the both be advantage. Because elections way, and I the most acrimonious elections all time in the history of the Buzia Dombo tradition. You didn't see that.
And the most
acrimonious. And
when you say acrimonious, say brofo.
It created a lot of tension and unnecessary, like, aspersions.
Because from time immemorial, I had two horses, but we did not bear three.
Now for the Obia Cassim no be confident, no be Cassim Tiobi. Obia Cassim Tiobi.
Yeah, of course.
And it is
true.
It is Obia
camp be offended the other camp.
And you know, Yenna say, Yenna enter say, okay, Yenna, Danko Buzia Dumbo for a check. You must see a small son.
Can I be blunt here? Name names. If Canada Japan free party more, ever hyper, and high, because political party no a game of numbers. Not just numbers. Me political mentor Damboche or say it is not just a game of numbers but positive numbers. And they will be able to be the positive votes that baby are okay.
However, say I can say I was said the biano ebia or say a poor beer child there, that one I won't support it. But I'll say a Nekasabo cause it's a normal journey. But and yes, said yes, a party
onion bonnie because
a polka party you and
yeah.
But a polka party you'll be there. It don't make a choice, my constituency be a obisa mabtuno into whom you know money in him. My friend former MP on fa. Well, we shouldn't have on responded. I didn't hear. Never for you and say what contest elections at to know. Sebeka project ofie no busakunya
Debbie
and I say suma e good house. I mean politics yeah. And do your politics also who say we dey back be win back be lose. And the who lose said the who win and ke be odeno who lose o say ya natural. Obi enu a oti anu ma mi wu a na uboka say what na uboka o say ka me boy am there. Nobody things like that. It be ya pass but me knowing him
now he'll be free.
No, I don't think so. He will never.
Now when I say a couple power support
do your politics also who say we dey back be win back be lose. And the who lose said the who win and ke be odeno who lose o say ya natural. Obi enu a oti anu ma mi wu a na uboka say what na uboka o say ka me boy am there. Nobody things like that. It be ya pass but me knowing him
now he'll be free.
No, I don't think so. He will never.
Now when I say a couple power support na bad now you win him.
Oh come on now. Once a politics
I be see will be studio hall that I don't say penina minim no chirebe via me friend usikani no sadi pano onye coward say onyinanim I said it here.
The point is that last 2 years okay say Dr. Bamia campaign I was almost the campaign manager for the region.
Yeah.
And I said a lot of things. Into ko ni mana usua de afi. Into be catch obia including my best friend Samuel who say this I want to slow down. Me consider my constituency per medjuma. Me pese who national
platform zonal
because it took me time and some meet me say nyampe before the back almost say we say Kere Japan was my those time my offend say the bia no bomb na sense bo achire mu din na ha me. We say I don't want to offend anybody now.
Until we low.
Me consider me
constituency.
Maybe one of them no any other constituency dem me say me nya ho dwuma no.
Okay.
Na obi aniwa oba o kasa no because san nkofo ni hu say na me nye campaign.
Yes.
They said the first year no. But I was working in my constituency hard. Any other constituency say Dr. Babere Sheminsa. Me often constituency or the Sheminsa no. Me deliver baby. And but once a while, no, whom radio so, TV so, na make kasa DMB. When did I ever sit on radio or television? And I make say, Miss Oti Bonsu Japan.
On kind.
But I sat on radio thousands and several times. I'm support to the Bamia. How was it like that? And a campaign. We say Kufudia, say we campaign.
Yeah.
Me campaign me. And the omo metesa say.
So obi ka say madam for pani obi asechire ni say. Madam for pani osika asechire.
It depending so madam for no say bia na woni ne ukonda kranda.
Ono eja me bisa say ba bia metia na paragraph te. Was na madam for pani osika. Na waka kire ni say. What do support?
From the horse own mouth. What can I say?
But the point me ne kasa ye. And I be catch say me pesa de no nya de oye. Obi say de wa ha no. Because one, he's not my friend.
Oh, okay.
You can't be my friend. Me politics are be here. Obi ni madam for. Our politics. Ye kokoso no in NPP and the strongest. Ye kokoso ye shock obi anim o party we. Ye kokoso the party produce leaders o party we. And obi anim very strong kokoso. We have been friends for a very long time.
Kokoso be there.
Yeah, kokoso is the biggest.
Which kokoso is that?
Very young men. Yeah, about 14 pe.
Mo Samia Uku.
But we are ye kuta party no. Kokoso no. And obi all party no.
My name say.
That one is not.
But Samia Uku.
Minim krazo kanwa na ye kokoso na ye we say wa okumase obi
as en so bo achi wo mu.
Ye kokoso by say ye kokoso no the strongest kokoso.
Opon kroma wo mu.
Omu nya anim omu. Opon kroma anim opon kroma anim.
That be same de wu.
Ye even saying I use nim even
as en so
Crumble. Kai be cranam kan.
What would be biara?
Ye wodi pa.
Did it
Ye kokoso we have been together for almost about we set up this caucus I think about 2010 or 2000 and we've been very consistent. Ye close, ye share meetings there, obi a meeting, ye discuss it until we become position where we make sure say be a tunko. We and at any given time biano party no very influential.
Okay.
And obi anim.
That's
Omudi
no am one chep.
Omunim more a party domunim. But who said the BI and Antibum?
Oh, okay.
Who said so who said
click mumun na
you know so
and I'm quite you know kroma
ye tukwan boom who see ye tukwan boom ye koko bom pai ye kubum
mu wa yero kroma
ye no baby around her around black
sometimes go jaw
me via me kwa
go jaw
omo fia car because na car kofa omo airport
Kokos members in Beba.
Obia.
Okay. How will you describe Baumia? You've been closer to him.
Yeah, but
describe what he's saying.
He's a very astute politician. Was share politics in Timon in Temdo. And it's a more or don't know who bore and now Brassier. And I pajana man be do that. It is what politics that say crassy or more. I'm just over my word saying on. And you can so be a firm one by soft. What was I go for? No?
Yeah.
I used to have a boss, Stephen to do on Casa. But obey what dear. And he always gets it right. Obi and the temperament though. Once in a meteno. Obi and himself me make it. And Obi can say, and Obi can say, Madam Viosi. Madam back when we have Bundi and Jai or say, oh, hey, would the count them, why think, whoa, something who did that? Because my son say, maybe said a metiano, yes, I know you be it's your known temperament, no, and then they don't carry no different from,
yeah,
but it's very firm, very, I mean, straight and
I'm for you can't take decisions, make decisions.
But on even take a decision and go to me and do it baby. What to be that? How does that happen? How does that happen? Go do campaign, no, and you're not running the campaign.
Yeah.
Or team not some say yes, and we had a meeting. Now you say the number 2 year the what?
Or the balls to check cabinet.
But yes, check cabinet a lot of times.
Otena Muma Obi.
Mr. Bam is a vice president in the Obi. But he chaired cabinet of that. As a matter of fact, President Kufuado, a trusteno, a sing, not trusteno.
He has said it over and over. Say, oh, can be your trust in the power.
The strength. Well, me see the be a me be MP no before me be MP na me who the guy need a different guy altogether.
Okay.
He is the first man who you can say obi a penny leader. Sometimes first one me minister back one number one. Ebi wa ye ya adwuma kwa ministers no oba be town ke no oko. But this guy doesn't believe because I was a board member of Ministry of Finance in the Koba get a retreater. He sits in the meeting from the beginning to the end. And laptops to the books couldn't change. What will be that? Vice president that or no or you're part of the business. Or must be no cool. Or to take a decision. No that dream banner. You don't see it. You see, and he has the heart to help Ghana.
Okay.
I command what top of the work Ghana no. Make it your plane.
Right. You better how it goes.
I mean engagement. Then between and I want to now change that
narrative
paradigm. No, say this should not be the way we will shift from that side to another one. Say I didn't my elections now. What contest elections? What contest elections? Now me really know who for whom you are jabbing. I say that be been just here. What were you coming to do? You are trying to serve the people of the constituency, and I'm going for someone pay obi from ra. And do the back on Onasama. And I will know if you are going to tuntum. And I guess all to swap the ball. The heavy. And so,
but is it also Kakana why no constituency when I saw money no? And no one who say, there's greatness in you. And for that matter, we want to push you to go higher.
That's what we all. I mean, say, because I mean, next level, I got this time, no. I rather boy, not say a election, need to be winning elections. I say,
yeah,
politics is good, but then you cannot be the one now. Unkwana over MP. Oh, and Unkwana maybe will team up with me and several constituency.
Or you sense the part one will be loose until now free. You want to leave the stage while the applause is high.
It can never be so. Well, nim Kofodia, and now when we constituency, who's the constituency? Your numbers net tiba form. No.
Yeah.
Maybe
yeah,
across the country. And now, even with that cramp, years are recorded the highest votes in the region, both presidential and parliamentary.
In the eastern region.
In the eastern region. Yeah, vote the abba from Kra, difference of about 9,000 between any NDC. Almost 10,000 between any NDC. No.
And guys, I say crowd.
I say no. But the MCA will come back stronger because we are putting things in place. You bet you say your margins to be. And I mean, go for the NDC. When yeah, we control constituency.
So who could be na obia or be see one name no anti and control our constituency so sana and it's for different in some.
We will intentionally help the person. You
have anybody in mind?
I mean, for now, I don't. But go for be a bass on person contest elections. It do one ma. Well,
okay.
Because temptation, if you don't take care, because flag bearer we fraud.
I would have seen something.
So, well, I mean, I'm also leading the charge on the trade sector. Our parliament, you know, I'm the ranking member for trade. And definitely, they will think that I should be content them say a two-term MP. And definitely, I will have a certain experience. Will be over by no untibinya at once. And then my services will be needed more than the person now or fresh. So they think say, okay, why wouldn't we keep experiencing people? Because Ubia Bobo and now Uyajuma, a big television station say near program and better console nature sure. Young go far an amateur Emma.
Yeah.
They will bring an experienced person. So naturally, every person who's a leader or a potential leader or a minor or a person will be a teamer or more experience. Now, or more experts in their field of operation. I be boa party no. I mean, me achieve your goals in your opportunity to come back to power.
Deputy